Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 6 of class 4, that is fractions. In this chapter we learn represent part of a whole as a fraction, identify the types of fractions, compare the given like and unlike fractions, add like fractions and unlike fractions, subtract like fractions and unlike fractions. Fractions: when a whole is divided into two equal parts, each part is called a half. It is written as 1 by 2 and read as 1 by 2. The shaded parts represent 2 by 4 or 1 by 2. When a whole is divided into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4 of the whole. It is written as 1 by 4 and read as 1 by 4. The shaded parts represent 1 by 4. In the below figure, the whole is divided into 8 equal parts and out of these 3 parts are shaded. Shaded parts is equal to 3, total parts is equal to 8. It is written as 3 by 8 and read as 3/8. The number of equal parts into which the whole is divided is the denominator of the fraction. The number of parts considered is the numerator of the fraction. 3 by 8, 3 is numerator and 8 is denominator. Look at the given figures and write down what part is shaded. In the first picture, shaded part is 1. In the second picture, shaded part is 3. Kinds of fractions. Proper fraction. A fraction is called a proper fraction if the numerator is less than the denominator. Examples: 6 by 11 and 3 by 10. Improper fraction. A fraction is called an improper fraction if the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Examples: 15 by 4 and 27 by 8. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction has a whole number and a proper fraction. Example: 3 5 by 8 and 9 1 by 7. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. Shade the given figure to show the given fraction. Bit A 1 by 4. We need to shade one part out of 4 parts. Bit B 5 by 7. We need to shade 5 parts out of 7 parts. Bit C 4 by 12. We need to shade 4 parts out of 12 parts. Question number 2. Write the fraction for the following. Bit A 1/3. Its fraction is 1 by 3. Bit B 4/7. Its fraction is 4 by 7. Bit C numerator 13 and denominator is 30 and its fraction is 13 by 30. Bit D numerator 20 and denominator is 15. Its fraction is 20 by 15. Question number 3. Convert the given fraction into mixed fraction. Bit A 34 by 5. Here 5 is divisible by 34 6 times. 5 6 are 30. Now subtract 34 minus 30, will get 4 as remainder. Therefore mixed fraction is 6 4 by 5. Bit B 45 by 9. Here 9 is divisible 45 by 5 times, that is 45 minus 45 will get 0 as remainder. Mixed fraction is 5 0 by 9, that is 5. Bit C 23 by 6. Here 6 is divisible 23 by 3 times. 6 3s are 18. Now subtract 23 minus 18, will get 5. Therefore mixed fraction is 3 5 by 6. Question number 4. Convert the given fraction into improper fraction. In order to change the given fraction into improper fraction, we need to multiply the denominator with the whole part and then add the numerator to it by denominator. Now bit A 2 6 by 7. 2 6 by 7 is equals to 2 into 7 plus 6 by 7, which equals to 14 plus 6 by 7, which equals to 20 by 7. Bit B 5 1 by 10, which equals to 5 into 10 plus 1 by 10, which equals to 50 plus 1 by 10, which equals to 51 by 10. Bit C is 7 4 by 9, which equals to 7 into 9 plus 4 by 9, which equals to 63 plus 4 by 9, which equals to 67 by 9. Exercise 6.2, question number 1. Compare the fraction by using less than, greater than or equal to. Bit A 6 by 8 and 5 by 8. Here the answer is 6 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8. Bit B, 5 by 11 and 8 by 11. The answer is 5 by 11 is less than 8 by 11. Bit C, 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. Here the answer is 1 by 5 is less than 3 by 5. Bit D, 7 by 10 and 7 by 10. Here the answer is 7 by 10 is equals to 7 by 10. Question number 2. Write the given fractions in the ascending order. Bit A, 7 by 10, 3 by 10, 9 by 10, 1 by 10. Its ascending order is 1 by 10 less than, 3 by 10 less than, 7 by 10 less than, 9 by 10. Bit B, 5 by 8, 8 by 8, 7 by 8, 3 by 8. Its answer is 3 by 8 is less than, 5 by 8 is less than, 7 by 8 is less than, 8 by 8. Bit C, 4 by 6, 1 by 6, 3 by 6, 5 by 6. Its ascending order is 1 by 6 is less than, 3 by 6 is less than, 4 by 6 is less than, 5 by 6. Exercise 6.3, question number 1. Add the given fractions. Bit A, 7 by 9 plus 5 by 9. Addition of like fractions follows. To add the fractions with the same denominator, that is like fractions, we add the numerators while the denominators remain the same, that is 7 plus 5 by 9 which equals to 12 by 9. Bit C, add 7 by 35 plus 3 by 14. To add two unlike fractions, we convert them into like fractions first and then add. Multiples of 35 are 35, 70, 105, 140 and so on. Multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98 and so on. Common multiples of 35 and 14 are 70, 140 and so on. LCM of 35 and 14 is 70. Convert the given fractions to like fractions, that is 7 into 2 by 35 into 2 plus 3 into 5 by 14 into 5. Now add the like fractions, that is equals to 14 by 70 plus 15 by 70 which equals to 14 plus 15 by 70 which equals to 29 by 79. Bit B, 5 by 12 plus 4 by 12. Addition of like fractions follows. To add the fractions with the same denominator, that is like fractions, we add the numerators while the denominators remain the same, which equals to 5 plus 4 by 12 which equals to 9 by 12. Question number 2. Subtract the given fractions. Bit C, 4 1 by 3 minus 2 1 by 2. Step 1. Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions, that is 4 into 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 which equals to 13 by 3 minus 5 by 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Step 2. Convert the fractions to like fractions, that is 13 into 2 by 3 into 2 minus 5 into 3 by 2 into 3 which equals to 26 by 6 minus 15 by 6. Step 3. Subtract the like fractions, that is 26 minus 15 by 6 which equals to 11 by 6. Its mixed fraction is 1 5 by 6. Question number 2. Subtract the given fractions. Bit A, 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9. Subtraction of like fractions. To subtract two like fractions, we subtract the numerators. The denominators remain the same, that is 5 by 9 minus 2 by 9 which equals to 5 minus 2 by 9 which equals to 3 by 9. 3 cancel one time in 3 and 3 cancel in 9 3 times which equals to 1 by 3. Question number 2. Subtract the given fractions. Bit B, 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Subtraction of like fractions. To subtract two like fractions, we subtract the numerators. The denominators remain the same, that is 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8 which equals to 3 minus 1 by 8 which equals to 2 by 8. 2 cancel 2 in one time and 8 cancels 2 4 times. Compare the fraction by using less than, greater than or equal to. Bit A, 5 by 7 and 4 by 7. Here 5 by 7 is greater than 4 by 7. Bit B, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Here 2 by 3 is less than 3 by 4. Bit C 1 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here 1 by 5 is less than 4 by 5. New words found in this chapter is proper fraction. A fraction is said to be proper fraction when the numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction. A fraction is said to be improper fraction when the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. New words found in this chapter is like fractions, fractions that have the same denominator, unlike fractions, fractions that have different denominators. Write the fraction for the following. Option A, numerator 37, denominator 52. Its answer is 37 by 52. Bit B, numerator is 13, denominator is 56. Its answer is 13 by 56. Bit C, numerator is 31, denominator is 47. Its answer is 31 by 47. Bit D, 2/6. Its answer is 2 by 6. 5 by 8 is 5 by 8. Pooja and Ramesh helped their mother to carry vegetables from market to home. Mother was carrying 12 kg of vegetables. Pooja carried 2/4 of the total weight and Ramesh carried 2/6 of the total weight. How much weight has been carried by Pooja and Ramesh in kg, and who carried more weight among Pooja and Ramesh? Here total weight is equals to 12 kgs. Part of weight carried by Pooja is equals to 2/4 of total weight, which equals to 2 by 4 into 12 kgs. Here 4 cancels 12 3 times, that is 2 into 3, which equals to 6 kgs. Part of weight carried by Ramesh is equals to 2 by 6 into total weight, which equals to 2 by 6 into 12 kgs. Here 6 cancels 12 2 times, that is 2 into 2, which equals to 4 kgs. Hence Pooja carried 2 kgs more than Ramesh, since 6 minus 4 is equals to 2 kgs. Ananya started from her home. She walked half kilometer and jogged 7 by 8 kilometers. How far did she cover in all? Solution. Distance walked by her is half kilometer. Distance jogged by her is 7 by 8 kilometers. Therefore, total distance covered by her is 1 by 2 plus 7 by 8 kilometers. Since LCM of 2 and 8 is 4, that is 1 into 4 plus 1 into 7 by 8, which equals to 4 plus 7 by 8 kilometers, which equals to 11 by 8 kilometers. Add the given fractions 5 by 28 plus 9 by 14. Addition of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators. To add two such fractions, we convert them into like fractions first and then add. Here LCM of 28 and 14 is 28. Now write 28 in denominator, that is 1 into 5 plus 2 into 9 by 28, which equals to 5 plus 18 by 28, which equals to 23 by 28. Subtract the given fractions 3 by 5 minus 1 by 40. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominators. To subtract two such fractions, we convert them into like fractions and then subtract. Here LCM of 5 and 40 is 40. Now write 40 in denominator, that is 8 into 3 minus 1 into 1 by 40, which equals to 24 minus 1 by 40, which equals to 23 by 40.